Another thing that our brain is almost automatically wired towards laughing at is extreme opposites. They can be physical opposites, they can be opposites of idea, they can be opposites of time, space. Let's try and find some examples. Can you think of an author that loves to take a big idea and put it next to a very tiny idea and make us laugh? A massive idea like the restaurant at the end of the universe, which is the name of one of Douglas Adams' books, in one sentence is opposites. It's saying there's this huge idea of the end of the universe, and yet there's this tiny idea of a restaurant. Put those two things together, big idea versus small idea, it's a great title, Restaurant at the End of the Universe. When Arthur Dent in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy arrives on an alien spaceship, having just seen the planet Earth explode, the first thing he says is, where can you get a cup of tea around here? Destruction of planet Earth, cup of tea. Big versus small, opposites. And when you start playing with that tool, it's about playing the maximum polarity game. The bigger the big is, the better, and the smaller the small is, the better. Big idea, small idea. Another opposite, time, opposites of time, old versus new. If you walked into a pub in Bournemouth and there was a guy there dressed as a cavalier from the English Civil War, that would be an amusing image. Wouldn't have been in his time, everybody dressed like that. It's because of the opposite of old versus new. Works the other way around. A spaceman walking into a medieval banqueting hall in a spacesuit would equally make people laugh. Old versus new, opposites. The older the old, the better. The newer the new, the better. Big man, small man. Loud man, quiet man. Smelly man, clean man. Tall man, short man. Opposites. Lots of double acts over the years have been built on that very thing, that very physical thing. Little and large, God help us. Anyone remember them? Hale and Pace. Big guy, little guy. So there we got the physical opposites. But then you start playing with the traits of people. Madman, sane man. The parrot sketch in Monty Python, probably the most famous sketch ever written. It's probably essentially a madman, sane man sketch.